Mga master, available na po ang IRR or Implementing Rules and Regulations sa Republic Act 11997 or ito pong pagtaas ng allowance for public school teachers. At ayon sa IRR na ito mga master, mananatili po na ang release ng teaching allowance, formerly chalk allowance, then cash allowance, ngayon ay teaching allowance na. Ang release nito ay still not earlier than the official start of every school year as stipulated in the annual issuance on the official school calendar in accordance with the law. Ito ay in consideration sa mga bagong ma-hire na teachers na possible yung kanilang appointment on the start of the classes at possible din na pagkakaroon ng movements dahil sa excess or shortages ng teachers. Kaya ang napag-desisyonan na release ng nasabi pong teaching allowance ay mananatili pa rin na not earlier than the official start of the school year. So hindi po yun on or before the start of the school year but starting doon po sa araw ng simula ng klase. Madalas po kasi ay naiisip ng iba na on or before, no? Pero dahil sinabi po dito ay not earlier than the official start of the school year, so hindi pwede na mas maaga sa official start ng klase. So pareho pa rin po ito sa previous po na guidelines ng atin pong allowance for teachers. Ganun pa rin yung release not earlier than the official start of the school year. So next year po, 2025, 10,000 na ang matatanggap na cash allowance ng atin pong mga public school teachers na eligible, no, dito po sa teaching allowance na ito, basta dapat lang magkaroon ng teaching load.